see that you've been learning. And when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny, I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like
hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. If y'all see me keep messing with my hair, don't mind me because it's just how I just can't stop touching it. I actually just filmed a tutorial on how to get this look, so if you want to see that tutorial, that's going to be down in the description below. But to get to this tutorial, you guys, look at this. I just filmed this look, and if you want to see how to create this like color block look, stay tuned for the next clip. Okay, so we're going in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I just like how it feels, honestly. It burned like hell, but alright, so now we're going in, we're going to get these brows information, and we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony, of course. Okay, I feel like that's a staple product of mine. I fell off for like a couple months, but then, you know, I got myself together. I got me another bottle of that. So I mean, ain't much to this eyebrow tutorial. I feel like it's a whole bunch of eyebrow tutorials on YouTube, so this is like a little quick one, I guess. You can watch me slay these brows. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I got the shade Tan Sand, and I'm using that to go ahead and correct my brows. I'm only correcting underneath, so that's the only part of my brows I correct. I don't go over on the top no more. I just don't. I honestly can't sit here and give you an explanation. So now we're going to go ahead and blend it out for you guys. Just blend, get a nice smooth canvas, and we're going in with the Nubian 2 by Juvia's, and I'm taking the shade Morocco, and I'm putting that in the crease. So I'm putting it in the crease, but I'm blending up. Okay, so that's pretty much how that's what I like to do. So I like to place it lower than where I want the color to go, just so that way it just creates a more polished look. Okay, so now we're going into the Masquerade by Juvia's, and I'm taking the shade Zobo with a precise blending brush, and that one I'm concentrating the color in the crease. Okay, so I'm not dragging it as high as I did Morocco. Okay, so I stepped off to go add my color contacts in. I'm definitely someone who was into that color contact looks. So now I'm going back into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm taking the color Jezebel, and I'm putting that into my outer corner V. But I realized that the Jezebel shade was not dark enough for me. So I'm just using it as a transition shade for my next color, which I took out the Jacqueline Hill palette, and it's that color right there that I'm pointing at. They don't have no names for it, but they do, but I lost the card for it. So that's the color I'm going in with a shader brush. That's really a C shader brush, and I'm just really concentrating that on the outer V and like halfway into my crease. Okay, so I'm grabbing the Tarte concealer again, and I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. like so. And I'm taking that same concealer I used to correct my brows, and I'm going to cut the crease. All right, okay. Now, when it comes to cutting your crease, honestly, just take your time. Like, patience is key, honestly, when it comes to doing cut creases. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just taking my time, dragging the concealer down to fill in my new lid, and yeah. So now I'm taking the shade Molly and a eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting that in the inner corner till like 1/4 of the lid. And I'm packing the color on. Juvia's palette, they have Juvia's Place has some really great color payoff. And I just love how well they blend. I just thought I'd throw it in there, you guys. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, blend that up there, pack the color on. And then once we get the color that we like, or get to the color payoff that we like, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the shade Dahlia. And all of these shades are in the Masquerade by Juvia's. And I'm just taking that and filling in the rest of the cut crease. And the way how you blend two colors together is you go back and forth. So after I get the color payoff that I want from the second shade, I'm going to go in with the same shadow brush I used for the green. I'm going to kind of like go over the edge of the blue. Then I'm going to take the blue one back and go back over the edge of the green. And that's how you blend the two together. So now I'm just touching up, going back in with the previous colors I used just to blend. So now I'm going to go with the concealer again, and we're about to create this color liner. So pretty much I'm lining my eyes as if the concealer was jet black cream liner. That's how you want to keep it in mind. So just act like you're using jet black cream liner and line your eyes from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, and make sure your wing is sharp. Okay. Okay, so now we're taking a flat concealer brush, and we're going to go back into the Masquerade palette and use the color Chi. Okay, I had to because, you know, your girl name is Chi. So we're going in Chi, and we're going to pack Chi on to the liner that we created, the outline that we created for the liner. So we're going to pack all the color into there, all the way till we get to the outer corner. And once we get onto the outer corner, you really want to focus on packing the color, because it can get a little lighter than normal. So as you can see here, you see how light it is. So you really want to pack the color on. Pack. So this is just me. I'm not really feeling the look at this point, so I'm trying to figure out what I can do. So I grabbed my NYX Bright liquid liner in yellow, and I'm going to outline my wing just so that it can be a little bit more defined. And I'm literally just going through and outlining the wing at the bottom and at the top. That's it. I'm not going across the whole eyelid. Alright, so now both eyes are done, and I'm about to go in with my primer. We'll get that all in that T-zone and some SPF. I'm going to spray that all over our face. Yes, and so the foundation of choice that I'm going with today is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty, and it's in the shade Deep Honey. This is the same thing as the Shape Tape Concealer. It's actually called Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. I read it wrong, you guys. So now I'm going in with the concealer, and I'm just doing 3 dots. I'm going to blend it out with my blending brush I use for liquids. And, you know, get that all blended out. And then I'm setting with my MAC Fix Plus foundation. And then I'm setting my face with my Clinique translucent powder. I'm contouring with my Fit Me face powder. That's in shade 305 or 350. Can't remember. Next I'm highlighting with my Becca Champagne Pop. It's all crumbled up, so I couldn't show you guys, but oh yeah, y'all can see it right there. The pan is literally like broken and crumbles. So we're gonna highlight, get that highlight popping. Okay, so now we're taking a small concealer brush and we are going to do our under eye. So we're going in the shade Zobo, and that's the first shade that we're putting under our eyes. Make sure you blend it all out. So once we finish blending Zobo under eyes, we're going in with the shade Morocco. The same shade, the first shade we used for the entire eye look. We're going in with that just to blend out the purple and give it a nice pretty smoky look. Okay, so now I'm setting my face with my Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. I'm going to spray that all over. So once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and get into this lip. I'm just using like a regular brown lip liner, and I'm lining my lips with it. And once I get my lips nice and lined, I'm going to go ahead and go in with MAC's Kinda Sexy. I got this little miniature one out the Nutcracker collection from last year, and I haven't used it up yet, so I still have it. But once you get your lip done, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the dramatics. Alright, see y'all.
See that you've been learning, and when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like you Jenny.